Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Kasan Shnong Youth Welfare Organization kalayo ban Pynhap padai kathad San Shnong Youth Welfare Inter-School Knockout Football Tournament and School Sport Meets 2024. Kabalalong mentai kesni hamadan sado marbanyang hagani ke jingle kai kidan kumbakat pratuli ke school ki balaya shimbenta shinrang berkentai da ke jing sakhilang ki kme ki pa berkinong hi kai. Ha ke jingpran uba Lionel nong klau hagani ke sngi ban penkut yaka ulai khuble ya baro ki school ki balayo ban wani shimbenta ki kme ki pa ki balaya wan ban sinran ya ki khun jongki ki nong hi kai bat baro ki nong shimbenta. Uba Lionel Nongklau ula ai mensimru ya baro kinong ya shimbenta bakimdei ban shupne no eino ya kasap bagidon Henry ban treshitom bat bagindon ya kata mensim yele omtang hakit sport Henry kumju hagi jingpuli ki jongki kumba ki kmi ki pa bakinong hikai ki kwa bakinong ki basay so ha kajing im jongki
Kabangi penlong ya kani ka tournament but ya ka sports meet iyo ka report na kinong hikay school na kinong penyat school pa ka enrollment haki school ki jongki kalanang kiu but ka ba kham so na chusho kalong ba ki to ki kena ki ba pep school sitang for kilawan ban teng biang ya ki jingpuli ki jongki ka shem bakani kadai ka jingjop ka bakraw ya ka seng ka jongni. On behalf of the San Shnong Youth Welfare Organization, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the students who participated in the drill display and march past on your outstanding accomplishment. Your precise motion and synchronization were amazing, demonstrating not just your individual skill but also the power of your teamwork. I would also like to convey that true victory is built on the courage to overcome adversity. Last but not least, before I return to my seat, I take this opportunity to remind you all, dear students, that the fighting spirit you demonstrated during the football tournament and athletics and arena games must be the same fighting spirit you should have in your studies, because your parents and teachers want you to succeed in all you do. Once again, congratulations to all competitors and winners, and I wish you all the best to everyone. Wave, who are the win wave, they can air pengat here, nak benda di kena school, but nak benda kinong hikai, but kinong kesan baru. Haga kerteng, jong ke San Shnong Youth Welfare Organization, na ai kublay, ya baru kinong syakhat sobha. Na ai kublay ru, ya ki kena school, di balaya shimbenta, at kumjuru i kena school, di bawan banyasan ran lang, ya kinong ya shimbenta, hakani ka football tournament, ka sports meet. Ay kuday kerpang ru ya kikme kikpa kibalawan ban senran ya la kijong kikon kijong pi kajing don kijong pi menta kasni kalau nang ai meng sem kalau penpo penpieng ya kani kasni kaba menta kajing tang kijong i ban penlong ya kani ka football tournament maka sports meet. Kalong ban ailat ya ki khanna school ki pada kin tan nang kendong gi jongi bakin yo ban peni ya kasap ya ka phong ga jongki bakin yo ban kilan met bakin yo kendo para kena na kiwai party school